So I'm showing you the unboxing of the Total. Here comes the angle grinder itself. Angle grinder. And here comes the plate seating for the plate. And here comes this other part, which engages and locks in the disc. And of course it comes with a key, its own locking key. Looks like that. And it comes with the safety plate, small safety plate. And here it says on the angle grinder itself, it's saying, let's see what it says, because this is crazy, this is really driven. Saying 220 volts to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, 12,000 per minute, which is 12,000 RPMs per minute, 750 watts, 115 millimeter, M14. So the 115 millimeter is the maximum size of the disc that you can install in this angle grinder, which means it cannot take more than that. And if you want to take more than that, you need to remove the safety plate, which I don't recommend. As you can see, 12,000 RPMs per minute, 750 watt, 115 millimeter. See? And let's install it together. First of all, we need to install the plate either this way or this way. Oh, it's not installing this way, maybe it's this way. Oh, this way it fits better. See, it's everything has its own place, you know. And then simply we install the safety plate just like that. It sits like that. Because this has to be aligned with this. This notch has to be aligned with this notch. Okay. Yeah, now I understand. This notch with this notch. And let me get the disc. Just in a minute, I will be getting the disc, and supposedly we install it this way. And after we install the disc, we lock it with that. Okay.